Hey everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So today we are going to be drawing a One Piece character, a new One Piece character in the Wano arc, Yamato. So I'm on landscape orientation paper. Use a pencil and eraser and hit pause if I go too fast for you. When I move my hand, just use the pause button, right? I'll do my best to move my hand out of the way after I do something, after a step, okay? So sometimes I forget, sorry about that. I'm still learning too. So center point of my page is about here. Come up a little bit over to the right hand side. Let's just start with our eyes. So kind of standard curve line to start, right? So we'll just bring this across and down, right? So just like a curved line like so, right? And you just want to make it like a thicker line, right? So you're just going to add some extra pencil. If you're using a pencil, you know, just make it a bit thicker than your standard one line, okay? And she seems to have like a line just coming out here as well, like, you know, like an eyelash or something just sticking out there at the end. And then we got like eyelashes as well. So female character, big eyelashes. Right, roughly like that. Then our bottom eyelid, just down here, another sort of curved standard sort of line just down there. And you don't have to sort of join these up. This eyelid just kind of floats down here. So then her iris, so big round circle with the top sort of cut off by the top eyelid. So you just go up and around like that, okay? And then her pupil, another circle kind of in the middle, like so, and you just color this dark, like that. And we do the other eye, so we're about eye width, I'd say. So maybe a little bit less. So I'd say we're starting here. So sometimes in One Piece they're not sort of in proportion, but roughly an eye will fit in between these 2 points here. Like the width of her eye will fit in here. And that's where the other eye starts, okay? So same thing again, you just sort of curve this line up and down like so, and you just thicken it up then again. Add just some sort of, maybe a little spike coming down the corner there, like the other side, okay? And then again, eyelashes and things, so quite big eyelashes on her eyes here. One actually in the corner here as well. Is that on the other side? We can't see it because it goes under her hair, but we'll draw it in anyway, just in case we need to erase anything. Right, something like that. And then bottom eyelid, again, same sort of thing. I forgot to add eyelashes actually on our bottom eyelid. They're here. They're much smaller than the top. Like this kind of thing. Maybe do some down here. Like so, and then her iris. Curve around, circle with the top cut off, and then pupil, full circle in the middle. You just color this dark, right? Like so. Right, so then some details around the eyes. So she's got like eyelid line, so it just comes around here, like so. Same sort of thing on this side, goes around the top of her eye. And then her eyebrows, so she's kind of frowning quite heavily, so we'll go up, ticks up, and then sort of down this way, right? And you can kind of thicken this area up. I'm not sure if it should be brown or black, but we'll just do it black for now anyway, and maybe like another eyelid line there. And then we do pretty much the same thing on this side, so up and spike it down and just thicken up this end. like so. So for her nose, right, so we have a little line coming down from this eyebrow, just here on this side. And the line for the bridge of her nose just comes straight down here. And we're not like right in the middle of her face, we're sort of a little bit over to the left. Right, just down to there. And then she just has like some nostrils, like so. And then her mouth. So standard sort of smiling kind of mouth, right? So just comes across, curves up the sides, just there. And then her bottom lip underneath, there. And I think she's aligned just for the top lip, just kind of here. So her chin curves around there. So in terms of proportion, right, I would say her eyelashes, right, to her nose, top of her eye here, is about the same as nose to chin. Okay, so the nose is halfway between her top eyelash area and her chin, roughly, okay, here to here. And then her nose to her bottom lip line is about the same as her bottom lip line to her chin. So that's roughly the proportions we're dealing with, okay? So then we'll bring her jaw up, the side, up to there. And it goes underneath her hair, really, so you don't go too far with it. Like so, right? And she has, so her hair then, long, and she's got a fringe just coming across here. So then we'll do those long pieces that come down here. It comes down like so, and then, let me see, so it comes in, down, back out, there at the bottom. And it has sort of two short little spikes down here, and then this will go back up, like so, up to the top of her head. So it'll go up to there, right? And there might be another line coming down this way. Now if you go over any of her eyelashes or anything, you can just erase those. So then on the other side, same sort of thing. Curve it down. Curves down, in, around to there. Short spikes, and then we go back up. Like that. Maybe bring it up to the same height. Just there, and then like another line comes down like so. And then we have our fringe spikes that come along here, okay? So just in between. So it comes, curves down here. Like so. In under there. And then just another line that way. Another line going up that way. And then going in the opposite direction. Like so. Okay, so coming out from here, we have those two horns and then the top of her head in between, right? So the horns are quite long, so they go right up to the top of my page, okay? Right up to here, and then we bring it back, they kind of curve, like so, okay? And then the other side, similar. So we go up and around, so we try and keep them the same size. It's kind of this S sort of shape in here, and then it comes back around down to there. And then her head just goes in between. So trying to figure out where it is. Okay, so here. Comes out here. It's the top of her head. And then this will go across and down here. And then she has like a bun, like at the back of her head here. this could be bumpy because it's like, you know, all hair and stuff. And there's like some texture lines and things coming down there, some coming down here as well. Like so. So then her hair here comes down from behind the back of the horn as well and goes in behind her ears. So we got to draw her ears first, what we can see of them anyway. So just beside her eyelashes here, we can see an ear. Okay, just in there. And on this side as well. Down like so, and you could see some bones and ligaments in the ear lines and things inside. Just a little bit like simple like that. And she's got the rest of her hair then, side of her head curves down just beside here. And like so, and some texture lines like that. Just trying to clean up her pupil here on this side. Okay, so her neck, quite long, thin neck, going down this way, coming down that way. And then she's got these things coming out of her hair. Kind of these long, I don't know, chopsticks or something. Like they're holding her hair up. And then this comes, just these long wooden sticks. And then they just sort of stick out from here. Right, so the rest of her hair goes down behind her shoulders. And she's got some earrings on. So we'll draw those. So we'll go earring. They're just circles, kind of. You can just see them kind of behind her hair here. Right? And like one here. You can't see all of it on that side. So then her shoulders and her arms come down this way. So she's got like a kimono on. So it kind of comes down like so. And we'll do the inside. No, we'll do the shoulder first. So this is strap comes down that way, bumps, right? And then it bumps here as well. And goes over that way. And then we sort of have a V in the middle where they join together. So it goes into there. And then we'll bring it back up to there. And you might see some of that going around here. Right, there's like a red line underneath here. So then her shoulders come out, down this way. Shoulder out, down this way. Right? And then we have her kimono that comes down around her chest, just here. So comes sort of in and then goes out, down, in, out, down, like so. And then we have a bit of an armpit line just here. Armpit line, like so. And then the center line for our kimono goes that way. And it has another line going there. And then down that way. And then she has these like foxes or something on her chest here. So there's like diamonds, right, with ears. And they're kind of colored in black. So the easiest way, let's just do a diamond. There. Diamond here. Like that. And then we'll go eyes inside. Ears. Ears. And then another diamond around. So you just go around that shape again. When you get to the ears, you kind of jump over them. they're colored black inside, so you could draw it through and just color over if you wanted. Right, roughly like this. And then the rest of her hair. So quite long and square, so like not hooked. So sort of what I mean is not spiky, they're kind of flat on the end, right? Like that. This goes in. Another one comes down, meets it, down behind her shoulder. Another one. Another one comes down here. And then some that stick out back here. Flat ends on them like this. Another one here. Flat end. It is, I think Kaido, you know, if you look at Kaido's hair, it's kind of like this. Why does she have hair like Kaido? I won't spoil it for anyone. Maybe I just did. Okay. Another hair spike there. And then another one here. 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 There. Another line there. Another one here. Here. And then we do the other side. So it doesn't have to be the exact same on both sides because hair kind of moves. So you can kind of just, once you get the feel for it, yeah, you can just add them where you think there should be lines, basically. Right, so this side's different to that side, so but that's okay, you know. It actually makes it look more realistic when characters have, you know, they're not perfectly symmetrical, you know, it wouldn't make sense. Like so. Okay, so then she has those big purple, whatever they are, kind of like Odin. So these big tubes, basically. These big, I wonder what the purpose of these are. I mean, you see them in traditional Japanese things. Maybe they're just decorative. So this comes up, down. And then. They probably have a name. I wonder if anyone knows. If anyone knows, let me know in the comments. It goes around here. There. There. And boom. 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 How do you draw these? You just go boom, 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 boom. There, and maybe like more lines just there. So kind of like a caterpillar. You know those caterpillars you used to draw as a kid? You just give them eyes. That's kind of what it looks like. Is that just me? Okay, so she has the handle of her mace, her weapon back here, right? So it just kind of comes out from behind. So we'll just go to say there, and then down back here, and a big sort of circle. One around there, and like circle in the middle, like that. Am I missing anything? I don't think so. That's it. That's how to draw Yamato from One Piece. Hope it was helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Consider going to Patreon if you have a request that you really need to get to. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.